A Step into the Past Volume 6 Chapter 10, Meeting on a Narrow Road. Zhao rode her horse exuberantly and the rest of them had to chase after her. After passing through the large plain outside the city, Zhao left the official path and rode towards the rolling hills at the northeast. The landscape began to change as the grass changed into strange rocks and stones as they traveled along waterfalls and dangerous cliffs, with clouds and fog surrounding them, creating an extremely beautiful scene. After passing through a mountain, they came to a valley with cliff walls reaching into the clouds on both sides and the clear sky is just a line in the horizon. Zhao slowed down in front and just as Xiang Xiaolong was about to chase up with her, Teng Yi came alongside him and said quietly, "A Euro Xiaolong. If you talk to Zhao with that earlier expression and tone, Xie Euro trademark LL find out sooner or later a Euro." Xiang Xiaolong was extremely startled and knows that Teng Yi can see things more clearly as a bystander. He turned back to look and saw that Wu Zhou has engaged Xie Fa into talking about the surroundings and won a Euro trademark to be able to hear their conversation, so he quickly asked for advice. Teng Yi replied, "A Euro Dong Kuang is famed for being someone who only knows how to rear horses and is totally unrefined in other areas, so you can do as you deem fit, a Euro." Xiang Xiaolong was enlightened and became quiet. They reached the end of the valley and the scene in front was refreshing with the trees pointing towards the sky and the rays of sunlight filtering through the layers of thick green leaves with rainbow hues, so indescribably beautiful. Streams were crisscrossing amongst the trees and rocks, the sounds of the water crisp and clear, and it feels as if the Euro trademark VE come to a place that is not of this earth, intoxicating their senses. Zhao seems very familiar with this place and led them to a small hilltop and they could immediately see their surroundings. Xiang Xiaolong reined his horse as he came alongside Zhao and looked around. He realized that where they are standing is the center of a huge plain and with unique-looking cliffs in the distance. The grounds were deep green with abundant water and grass with a fragrance in the air, and he can a Euro trademark T help but chortle, a Euro ed.am his grandmother. "How does lady know of such a splendid place, a Euro?" Zhao heard such coarse language from him and her delicate brows frowned, but she did not answer him. Teng Yi and the rest came to their side as well and they all expressed their agreement. Xie Fa said, "A Euro Ethi's place is called Hidden Army Valley and the only entrance is the line in here earlier. When our great Zhao Euro trademark S King Wuling was at war with Rong Di in the past, he had once hidden his army in here and won the battle. Since then this place was named Hidden Army Valley. Does Mr. Dong think this place suitable, a Euro?" Xiang Xiaolong was secretly thinking to himself how would he know if Eda Euro trademark S suitable, so he hurriedly made an eye at Wu Zhou, the husbandry expert. Wu Zhou nodded his head slightly to indicate his agreement. Xiang Xiaolong pretended to look over the surroundings before he complimented with a sigh, "A Euro Eda Euro trademark S really D.AMNF King good, a Euro." Teng Yi and Wu Zhou were secretly feeling hilarious, but to Xie Fa and Lady Ye the words were jarring on their ears. Xiang Xiaolong controlled his urge to laugh and said, "A Euroians, I see something good, I can a Euro trademark T control myself but exclaim the words F King a few times. This is such a wonderful place. Isna Euro trademark T it even more F King good, a Euro." Xie Fa was overjoyed, "A Euro, so does this mean that Mr. is going to choose this valley as your farm, a Euro?" At this time Zhao looked towards Xiang Xiaolong. Xiang Xiaolong deliberately stared hard at her perky bosoms before nodding, "A Euro I up. I really like the looks of this place. From this day onwards, this Hidden Army Valley will be the place where I set up my first farm." Damn his grandmother! I didn't a Euro trademark T expect to find a location so smoothly, a Euro. Zhao saw the way he behaved and talked was extremely uncouth and thought that this is the real him and was secretly unhappy. She said coldly, "A Euro Izanki, Mr. Dong has found the ideal farm, can we go back now, a Euro?" Xiang Xiaolong deliberately looked at her sleazily and said, "A Euro, I still have to inspect the water source, soil, and grass here carefully." "Damn, why is lady in such a hurry to go back, a Euro?" Zhao Yu was even more annoyed to hear how rude and foul-mouthed he was and replied with irritation, I have other appointments, how would I have time to accompany Mr. longer, She was secretly thinking that she must have been blinded because ever since she returned to her residence last night, she kept thinking of this person and could not sleep, which is why she came looking for him as soon as day broke. But this is good too, this person may have Xiang Xiaolong Ga trademark S build, but his looks are 1,000 miles apart, so in this case, she can give up. Ever since Xiang Xiaolong, she no longer wishes to be entangled by feelings. Xiang Xiaolong thought he might as well go all the way and let Zhao Yu give up all hope on him, so he asked with a strange smile, I wonder who is the person who can make lady in such a hurry to return, Zhao Yu could not tolerate it any longer and said angrily, that is my business and has nothing to do with you at all. She pulled her horse trademark S reins and turned and galloped towards the plains. Xie Fa was so shocked that he hurriedly sent half of his men to escort her back to the city. Xiang Xiaolong felt gleeful. As long as he can hurt her, he trademark LL feel a sense of happiness. Although she still has some feelings left for him, but if she had succeeded in harming him the last time, he would be a pile of bones by now, so between them there is no more relation to speak of. After he made a pretense of surveying the place, they went back to their residences at dusk. Zhaomua trademark S men are already waiting for him to invite him to the marquee residence for a feast. After Xiang Xiaolong bathed and changed, he went alone with them to the marquee residence for the feast. Zhao Mu was overjoyed to see him come, and as Ida trademark S still early, he took him to the inner hall for a secret discussion. Before he started on the main point, he laughed and said, I heard that you thoroughly infuriated Zhao Yu. Why? You are trademark Re not interested in that S.Lut at all? Now she is at a point where Ida trademark S the easiest to hook up with a Xiang Xiaolong was secretly cursing Zhao Mu and at the same time hating Zhao Yu for cheapening herself as he replied, I was afraid she is King Xiao Kenga trademark S spy, how would I dare to dally with her, Zhao Mu was obviously very impressed with his sense of caution as he clapped his shoulder and said closely, who else would know better than me whether she trademark S a spy? If you are trademark Re interested in her, I can make arrangements for you. Xiang Xiaolong was secretly lamenting, so he quickly changed the topic. Has Marquis thought over that matter yet? Zhao Mu was immediately energetic and totally forgot about Zhao Yu as he said with a serious look, almost everyone in Handan now is my trusted aide, we just have to get rid of a few people and I will be able to sit on the King of Zhao trademark S throne comfortably. Xiang Xiaolong replied with a smile, the first two to be killed should be Lian Po and Li Mu, Zhao Mu complimented him, with a talent like you helping me, need I fear my great career will fail? But there are a lot of formidable fighters around these two, trademark am afraid Ida trademark LL be very difficult to strike. Xiang Xiaolong replied calmly, if Ida trademark S easy, you would have struck long ago. Leave this matter to me, as long as I can obtain accurate information on them, trademark LL certainly succeed with one strike. I heard that they are now not in Handan, so Ida trademark S best if there a trademark S a way to call them back, then I will ask my men to set up a trap and get rid of them cleanly. Zhao Mu looked at him with suspicion, a trademark really that confident? The two of them have a few thousand personal guards, the trademark not easy to deal with. Xiang Xiaolong replied, no one is better than me at the art of assassination. Please be assured. How could Zhao Mu possibly believe his one-sided talk, so he said somberly, we need to plan this in detail. You better set up the farm first and lay your foundation. With me speaking on your behalf to King Xiaocheng, things will certainly run smoothly. Xiang Xiaolong was secretly finding this funny. He said those words to let Zhao Mu understand for himself that this thing cannot be rushed, and now that his goal is reached, Of course he Euro trademark S not so stupid as to keep pushing it, so he nodded his head and said respectfully, A Euroe, I will listen wholly to your orders. This is also His Highness A Euro trademark S instructions A Euro. Zhao Mu saw that he was so obedient and was secretly glad and said with a smile, A Euro King Xiaocheng now has a very good impression of you, but remember that you must hurry up on the farm. Ha! This move of yours really struck the Zhao Euro trademark S fatal point, because they are most anxious to have a savior like you now A Euro. Xiang Xiaolong replied, A Euro, I have already chosen a place for the farm and will start on it immediately tomorrow A Euro. Zhao Mu stood up and said, A Euro, come. The others should have arrived, besides a few of the most influential people in Handan. I have also invited the envoys from the various states who came because of Lord Dongzhou A Euro trademark S matter. Make use of this opportunity to meet them, A Euro. Xiang Xiaolong knows that he has now become Zhao Mu A Euro trademark S trusted confidant, that A Euro trademark S why he is treating him so nicely, so he stood up and followed him into the main building of the Marquis residence. The two of them strolled past the corridors side by side, and all the servants and maids knelt down to pay their respects on seeing them. When they walked past the big garden which was right in the middle of the Marquis residence, a group of about 100 dance courtesans were practicing dancing. For a moment the mixture of fragrance, clothes, hair, and dainty voices can make one overwhelmed. Xiang Xiaolong has sharp eyes and was surprised to find that the teacher who was directing their dance is actually Zhao Ji, and he can't A Euro trademark T help but looked at her in shock. The training did not stop because Zhao Mu is passing by. Zhao Ji obviously saw Zhao Mu but pretended not to notice him and kept on giving out orders to make the pretty dancers dance. The colorful costumes dazzle under the illumination of the lanterns. Zhao Mu whispered in Xiang Xiaolong Ga Euro trademark S ears, A Euro a taken a liking to her? That girl is called Zhao Ji, her father is a learned scholar in Zhao and her teacher is an expert in swordplay, there A Euro trademark S nothing I can do to her too A Euro. Xiang Xiaolong just shrugged his shoulders and continued walking. After passing the garden, they reached the long corridor that will lead them directly to the main building, and it seems to be suddenly quiet in comparison. A maid came towards them and on seeing Zhao Mu hurriedly moved aside and knelt down. Right at this time, Xiang Xiaolong instinctively felt alert and reflexively placed his right hand on the pommel of Blood Wave. He was feeling perplexed and can't A Euro trademark T help but take a look at that maid, only to see her hand reaching into her wide sleeve, her head lowered, and her kneeling posture was very unique, giving one a strange feeling, as if she can spring up at any moment and execute several kinds of movement. All these are just instinctive feelings. If not for the fact that Xiang Xiaolong has been meditating according to the Mahist principle every night since his journey to Handan, his feelings would not have become so sharp. Zhao Mu felt nothing amiss at all and continued walking. Xiang Xiaolong was in a dilemma. If this girl is here to assassinate Zhao Mu, then she is on the same side as him, but now he has to protect Zhao Mu, because not only does he have to capture him alive to bring to Qin, he has to make use of him in his plan to kill Li Cheng and to find out the plot involving the envoy sent by Lord Dongzhou. But if he causes this girl to be captured by Zhao Mu, how can he put his heart at ease? But now is not the time to think further, for they are now only 10 steps away from the maid. Xiang Xiaolong suddenly moved from the outside to stand between Zhao Mu and the maid, hoping that this will make her retreat. Zhao Mu became alert and looked at Xiang Xiaolong. The maid suddenly lifted her head to reveal a pretty yet strong face, her pretty eyes burning with hatred, and at the same time her hands extended from inside the sleeves, and as she flicked them, 2 beams of white flashed towards Zhao Mu like lightning. Zhao Mu was caught unawares and thoroughly startled, and before he had a chance to exclaim or dodge, Xiang Xiaolong has already drawn out Blood Wave and waved it twice with lightning speed, accurately blocking the 2 flying daggers. The female assassin apparently did not have a third dagger, and with a sharp scream, dashed past them out of the corridor. Xiang Xiaolong pretended to give chase, and suddenly a dark shadow appeared in front of his eyes, and it turns out to be the whip from the female assassin A Euro trademark S hand. He took the opportunity to retreat towards Zhao Mu, as if protecting him, but in fact he Euro trademark S trying to block the path of Zhao Mu, who has already drawn his sword. The female assassin knows that she has missed her chance and rolled into the bushes without stopping and disappeared into the night. Zhao Mu nearly collided into Xiang Xiaolong and hurriedly raised his hand to grab his shoulder to break himself. Xiang Xiaolong looked at the two daggers which has fallen to the ground, and the blades shone a faint blue reflection under the light, and Eda Euro trademark S obvious that it has been dipped in poison. Zhao Mu was still a little fearful as he said, "A Euro, luckily you are here this time, otherwise my life would be gone." Humph! All those people are idiots, not even knowing that an assassin has snuck in a Euro. Xiang Xiaolong was secretly feeling glad, for now he can gain even more trust from Zhao Mu and on the other hand allow the female assassin to escape safely. This is not the first time he saw this highly skilled female assassin. At that time when he took Zhao Mu Euro trademark S carriage and left the Marquis residence, this female assassin mistook him for Zhao Mu and threw the poisonous snake into the carriage to assassinate him. He wonders what is the great enmity between her and that thief Zhao Mu that she has to keep trying for his life, and on both occasions she failed because of him. But then again, Zhao Mu has committed so much evil that Eda Euro trademark S inevitable that he has enemies all over the place. The feast was held in the wide main hall of the Marquis residence, and there were about 40 odd a Euro double-seat de Euro trademark tables to seat 2 people each that filled the entire hall. By now Xiang Xiaolong already has some experience with the feasts given during this era. When he saw this he was shocked, for never in his dreams did he imagine that tonight a Euro trademark S feast would be so grand and with so many attendees. When a ruler holds a feast for his officials and guests, it will definitely be a Euro single seat de Euro trademark, where there are Euro trademark S 1 person per table if there are less people, and if there are grand feasts with over 100 people, tables will be placed on the front and back rows with a Euro multiple seats, a Euro trademark for 4 or more people. As for the feasts held by most senior officials or influential people, they are mostly a Euro double seat de Euro trademark. When the both of them arrived at the hall, there was still some time before the feast starts, so only Zhao Mu Euro trademark S trusted aide Li Cheng and the cunning Guo Kai was around. These two are very close to Zhao Mu, so they came earlier to help entertain the guests. Zhao Mu made some small talk and disappeared. Naturally he has gone to reprimand his men for their failure to protect the residence, and it seems that someone will surely be in trouble. Li Cheng and Guo Kai came up to Xiang Xiaolong and started chatting with him warmly. They first asked about the chosen location for the farm before Li Cheng sighed and said, "A Euro trademark, am really in a difficult position this time. Everyone who thinks that they are someone in Handan are all fighting to attend tonight a Euro trademark S feast, but there are Euro trademark S a limit to the seating. Hi a Euro. Guo Kai added with a wry smile, a Euro trademark VE met with the same problem as well, and I can only push the responsibility to the Marquis and tell them to ask the Marquis directly why they are not on the list of invites a Euro. Xiang Xiaolong was extremely surprised, for he thinks that he does not have the charisma to attract others that much, so he asked with a furrowed brow, a Euro, we are there so many people here for the feast tonight, a Euro? Li Cheng asked quizzically. A Euro, did na Euro trademark T Marquis tell Mr. The learned lady whose reputation is on par with Kina Euro trademark S widow Qin, Ji Yanran is in Handan as a guest. His Marquis was not sure initially that he can invite her here, but it turned out that she agreed without hesitation. Theta Euro trademark S, why everyone wants to come here to take a look at her glory a Euro. Xiang Xiaolong was stunned and hot blood rushed in his veins, and for a moment, he couldn't a Euro trademark T speak. Thank heavens! This rare beauty is finally here. Guo Kai looked at him in surprise as he said, a Euro ha. I did not expect that Mr. Dong is also another a Euro fan of the learned lady a Euro trademark. A Euro. Xiang Xiaolong ga Euro trademark S attention is now all on Ji Yanran, so how can he possibly be interested in talking nonsense with them? He made up an excuse and went out to the gardens from the side door in order to calm his excited nerves. When he thought of how he can be reunited with his ideal beauty, he felt as if he Euro trademark S like a fairy floating amongst the clouds. No matter what, he must sleep with her tonight. At the same time he was secretly puzzled. Why did she agree to attend the feast knowing very well that Zhao Mu is his greatest enemy? Hurried footsteps sounded behind him. Xiang Xiaolong turned around suddenly in surprise and came face to face with a gorgeous beauty. The beauty was startled and hurriedly took 2 steps back, her pretty face paled and her joy turned into disappointment as she lowered her head and said sadly, "A Euro Isari. I mistook you for the wrong person, A Euro." From the faint light from the lantern a distance away, this person turned out to be the elder sister of the twin sisters who once slept with him, the Yu beauty Tianzhen. Xiang Xiaolong suddenly understood. She must have walked past this place, saw his back view and recognized him as Xiang Xiaolong, but when she saw his disguise as Dong Kuang she was greatly disappointed. From this he can see how deep and unforgettable is his impression on her. He felt sorry for her and said gently, "A Euro, never mind. What is your name, A Euro?" Tianjin A Euro trademark's delicate body trembled as she covered her mouth and exclaimed, "A Euro Iu A Euro trademark really Master Xiang, I will remember your unforgettable voice even in my dreams, A Euro." Xiang Xiaolong was suddenly covered in sweat. He did not expect that his identity would be revealed because he forgot to change his voice and he hurriedly replied in his coarse voice, "A Euro Ms. You are mistaken, A Euro." Tianzhen exclaimed with joy and fell into his arms, hugging him in a death grip as she said, "A Euro, I will not forget you even if I died, we were so worried about you. We really have to thank the gods that you are all right, A Euro." Xiang Xiaolong knows that he cannot hide it from her, so he carried her into the deep woods and kissed her thoroughly before whispering in her ears, "A Euro, now my real identity is still a big secret, A Euro." Tianzhen added obediently, "A Euro, I understand, I will not reveal your identity even if I have to die, A Euro." Xiang Xiaolong said even more seriously, "A Euro, you cannot even tell your sister about this, A Euro." Tianzhen hesitated for a moment before nodding her head dejectedly, "A Euro, all right. But like me, she misses you terribly as well, A Euro." Xiang Xiaolong was a little at ease as he said quietly, "A Euro, as long as you listen to me obediently, A Euro trademark LL definitely take both of you with me and will not go back on my words, A Euro." Tianzhen was so touched that tears gathered in her eyes and she kissed him thoroughly, her alluring body pressing against his. Xiang Xiaolong Ga Euro trademark's long suppressed lust was immediately flamed and he can only regret that this is not the appropriate time nor place. After being entangled for a while, the blushing Tianzhen unwillingly walked back to the inner buildings after much persuasion from him. Xiang Xiaolong shook his head and smiled wryly before going back to the main hall. He had just taken 2 steps when a pair of man and woman walked into the garden from the side door he used earlier. They were in a secret discussion and surprisingly it was Zhao Mu and Zhao Yi. He had an idea and hid himself amongst some bushes and listened quietly. Zhao Yi Euro trademark's face was drawn tight as she said icily, "A Euro at an A Euro trademark T speak further, no way am I going to accompany that kind of coarse and unrefined brute. You have so many beauties on your hand, why don't A Euro trademark T you give him some? For example your most beloved Tian sisters, one A Euro trademark T they satisfy him even more, A Euro." Zhao Mu reached out and wrapped his arms around her tiny waist as he said with a sinister smile, "A Euro ear, have you not forgotten Xiang Xiaolong, A Euro?" Zhao Yi was stunned and replied angrily, "A Euro at an A Euro trademark T talk nonsense, who says I cannot forget him, A Euro?" Xiang Xiaolong saw how intimate they were and heard Zhao Yi Euro trademark's heartless words. Although he knows that she has no choice but to make such a stand, he still felt furious and thoughts of hatred and revenge surged in his head. Zhao Mu extended his other hand and hugged her tightly, saying with a grin, "A Euro naturally eat A Euro trademark's best that you do not think of him. This time if the 6 states can successfully form an alliance, even Qin will not be able to escape her fate of being split up. By that time I want Xiang Xiaolong to die without a burial place. I will whip his corpse even if he Euro trademark's dead in order to appease the hatred in my heart, A Euro." Zhao Yi replied icily, "A Euro speak only if you really have that ability." A Euro. Sounds of clothes rustling. Obviously Zhao Mu was taking advantage of the close contact between their bodies to caress Zhao Yi Euro trademark's sensitive spots. Xiang Xiaolong was livid on hearing this and secretly hated Zhao Ye for not knowing how to love herself and cheapening herself. Her breathing quickened uncontrollably as she breathed. €1 trademark TU going back to entertain the guests. €. Zhao Mu grinned lasciviously. €1 trademark TU want me to entertain you first. €. Zhao Ye Euro trademark S dainty fists pounded weakly on his back as she cried out. €, let me go, €. Zhao Mu replied. €, promise me that you will accompany Dong Kuang, then I will release you, €. Xiang Xiaolong suddenly understood, so it turns out that Zhao Mu is trying to use Zhao Ye to get into his good books, and the reason is of course he has not only saved his life, but also executed his extraordinary alertness and swordsmanship. He now looks at him differently and treasures him even more. Zhao Mu is judging others by his own yardstick, so naturally he thinks that power, women, and wealth will be able to pull him onto his side, and Zhao Ye is the best present he can think of for now. Zhao Ye asked in bewilderment, €, are you placing so much importance on that Dong Kuang, €? Zhao Mu gave a dry cough as he replied, €, trademark S not I who places much importance on him, but €, trademark S your imperial brother €, trademark S order that €, trademark S important that we treat this person well, don't €, trademark T you understand, €. On hearing that €, trademark S the king of Zhao trademark S idea, Zhao Ye softened a little as she said with a quiet voice, €, maybe he trademark S not interested in women? Otherwise why would he reject the courtesans that imperial brother bestowed on him last night €? Zhao Mu sighed, real men are lecherous. I think his standards are just too high and therefore not interested in those courtesans at all. But how can we compare Our Lady Ye to them, €? Zhao Ye said icily, €, go after Ji Yanran if his standards are high, then, who am I to compare, €? Xiang Xiaolong could sense the bitterness in her tone and knows that she is jealous of Ji Yanran, and can €, trademark T help but form a plan for revenge. Zhao Mu sighed, €, Ji Yanran is famous for being a stony maiden without feelings, how can she be compared to the gentle and feeling Zhao Ye? Don't €, trademark T say any more, I heard that Dong Kuang came out for a breather, help me get him to return. Why are you so nervous? Eat €, trademark S not as if I want you to bed him tonight €. Zhao Ye remained silent. Xiang Xiaolong knows that there €, trademark S no point eavesdropping any further, so he slowly slipped away. Xiang Xiaolong sat in the pavilion, looking at the starry sky as he heard Zhao Ye €, trademark S approaching footsteps. He has changed his mind about Zhao Ye now and has decided to toy with her as punishment for her. Zhao Ye came up behind him and forced herself to suppress her hatred towards him and said congenially, €, is Mr. Dong all alone here? Almost half the guests are already here, €. Xiang Xiaolong replied in his hoarse voice, still looking at the sky as he said, €, trademark VE never liked crowds. Look. The sky is so enchanting, her relation to us is so close, and €, trademark S all due to the stars in her arms that we can plot our paths and know the time and seasons. After a person dies, he will return to the deepest part of her. It seems that she is protecting our lofty dreams, controlling the fate of everyone on this earth €. Zhao Ye did not expect such an unrefined person to say such profound words and was momentarily stunned. She sat down on a rock behind him and for a moment was at a loss for words. Xiang Xiaolong was feeling melancholic as he signed and added with a wry smile, shaking his head, €, when I think that regardless of Mod or Kongqiu, King Wu, or Duke of Zhou, when they lifted their heads, they are seeing the same sky as well. How can we not feel the eternity of the sky when compared to €, trademark S minuscule and short lives? A pity that most people still cannot forget about the fight for power, fighting tooth and nail for such shallow gains day and night. Theta €, trademark SYIA €, trademark VE never liked fighting for power, only hoping to rear my precious horses in a carefree manner and just speak my mind. FK that sky, I really love her a lot. Theta €, trademark SY I want to FK her, the way IF*k my beloved woman €. Although he cursed 3 times continuously, but this time Zhao felt totally different on hearing it because he has given this 3 curse words a very profound feeling and meaning, and it has become a totally different matter now. Zhao said in a quiet voice, "A euro, I have offended Mr. today, my apologies a euro." Xiang Xiaolong shrugged his shoulders graciously as he stood up and turned around, his burning eyes staring into her pretty face as he said with a smile, "A euro, it doesn't a euro trademark T matter how lady regards me, so how can there be a misunderstanding? Like this night sky, if you take only one look, maybe you euro trademark LL not notice anything, but if you look closely, we will see more and more stars. The darker the night, and every star will have her own story. Without a beginning, there will not be an end a euro." Zhao has no defense against his stare, so she lowered her head and said, "A euro emistera euro trademark S words are indeed touching, a euro." Xiang Xiaolong was secretly laughing, for no one other than him knows how to touch this S. Luda euro trademark S heart. He stretched lazily and said, "A euro all right. I should be returning to that mundane world. I only hope that time passes fast enough so that I can go home and sleep. Isn't euro trademark T the world in our dreams even more beautiful, a euro?" Zhao had a longing expression, hoping that he will continue talking. Suddenly, she felt that even if she has to sleep with him, it doesn't a euro trademark T seem like a terrible task after all. Besides, his masculine body made her think uncontrollably about Xiang Xiaolong. Would it be as intoxicating to bed him as it was with Xiang Xiaolong? She really wants to know the answer.